favorite Power BI tricks is the Expandable Sidebar, which I learned from Guy in a Cube. Highly recommend to YouTube them and check out their channel. But watch this. Instead of having slicers taking up all the space on a page, all you need to do is have a little button to click like this, and boom, suddenly they're hidden and expanded in a beautiful little sidebar. I can hide it, expand it, hide it, so on and so forth. The trick to this, without going into too much detail, is to use bookmarks and the selection pane. So if I click these, what you do, if I hit the selection pane right here in the view ribbon, you can hide any visual on the page. So if this is my chart, I can hit the eyeball to hide it. Once you hide everything you don't want to see, for example, my slicers, right here I can make it visible, you then save that as a bookmark. In this case, if I add a bookmark 3, and you would right click and just hit update. Then what you do is you assign that bookmark to anything on the page. It could be a button. In this case, it's a picture I stole off Google Images. But you just click that and then set the action, make sure you turn it on, to bookmark, and then set it to the correct bookmark that you just updated. Do it creatively, and suddenly you have a beautiful, intuitive, expandable sidebar.